guys, you want to know what it looks like to get a multi-mansion in the heart of Houston, right in the village areas?
Yes, right at a Memorial, close to downtown,
Yeah.
close to the Galleria area, very close to everything in town. This magnificent mansion will give you a lifestyle that you dream of. 5 bedroom, 6 bath, 3 half bathroom. You gotta come and check this one. Look at this catwalk. I can be a top model and just walk, 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 walk. I feel like you are in Greece somewhere or Venice or something like that. Look at the architecture. Look at the ceiling. You see that? And then when you come in, when you guests come and welcome you, when you welcome your guests, you can have a party right here. You have your stair on the right side and on the left side, just like a princess, you know, for prom night for your daughter. That's beautiful. You can even do a wedding here if you wanted to. What do you think?
You can absolutely do a wedding here in the backyard. What size square foot lot is this?
40,000.
40,000 square feet lot. I think we can fit a whole wedding party here.
Almost an acre. Almost an acre. Look at this wall work. You only see work like that in very expensive homes. Anything above 500 and up, that's where you're going to see the work. And this costs you a penny to make. Sure, the person who did it spent some time doing it. Okay, check this room. Okay, so this is supposed to be a guest bedroom, but the size looks like a primary bedroom.
So, welcome into this other guest room. I mean, your guests are going to have their own separate side of the home, so it's going to be like their own private stay. Now, be careful because they just might not leave.
So my friend, when you have a party, here is the heart of the house. Enjoy this kitchen and living. Bam! That's a man cave. That would be perfect for my husband.
Perfect for me?
Yeah. Yeah, even for you, Alex, for sure. But look at this. You have a bar, they can do their poker night with their friends. That's perfect. That's perfect. What else? Quoi d'autre demande le peuple? Right? I just love this. It's very different. Very elegant and classic. This is where all miracles happen. Literally, it is a miracle room, right? That's why people make babies. Okay, I have an access for outside. A direct access, so you can sneak out. Ooh, look at the shower. There's 2 of them. I don't have to wait on my husband to shower. We just go together and everybody has his own stuff. But we can say hi to each other in the morning. That's cute. So I'm talking to you. Imagine this is your home. You work hard. You work all day. The kids are finally in bed. And then you turn on the water. You turn on your fireplace. And you sit in here. Yeah, this is another bedroom. This is the guest bedroom downstairs. And you also have access to outside. I hope you enjoyed 520 Blalock in the Villages. Okay? This property is available for you. Give us a call for your private tour. Do not hesitate. Even if it's not this house, but you want to look at anything else, that's okay. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. À bientôt.